Hey web devs, boost your VS Code setup with these must-have extensions for web development. Let's dive in. First up, Live Server. Launch a local server with live reload from HTML, CSS, and JS. Perfect for real-time previews. Just install it and hit go live to see changes instantly. Next up, Prettier. This auto-formats your code for consistent styling. Supports JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, and more. Enable format on save for clean code every single time. ESLint catches JavaScript errors and enforces coding standards. Pair it with Prettier for flawless code. Install, configure, and squash bugs early. For Tailwind users, Tailwind CSS IntelliSense is a game changer. Get autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and hover previews for Tailwind's classes. Speed up your workflow. Debugger for Chrome lets you debug JavaScript right in VS Code. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code without leaving your editor. Lastly, Auto Rename Tag. Rename HTML or XML tag, and the closing tag updates automatically. Small but saves tons of time. That's it, guys. Install these extensions to supercharge your web dev workflow. Drop your favorite extensions in the comments and subscribe for more coding tips. See ya.